Hello friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in another video. I'll be showing you how to make rice pudding. To make this easy rice pudding, start by combining 1 cup of uncooked Arborio rice in a medium-sized pot. Ensure your rice is rinsed thoroughly to make sure it's clean. Also add in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After that, add in 5 cups of whole milk. Go ahead and stir this with a wooden spatula to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. And once you're done, cover it and bring to a boil on medium heat for 5 minutes. Once the mixture has come to a rolling boil, take off the lid, reduce the heat to low, and start stirring this often. You don't want this to get burned at the bottom of the pot, so you make sure you stand close and stir this often. So our rice pudding has been cooking on low heat for 20 minutes. If after cooking this for 20 minutes and you still find out that the grain of rice is still strong or is still hard, you can add an extra 1/2 cup of milk to it and continue cooking for another 10 minutes until the rice thickens up. And once your rice pudding is slightly thickened and the rice is soft perfectly the way you love it, you can go ahead and stir in 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You can adjust the sweetness to your own taste and stir this again to mix. After you've stirred, just cook this again on low heat for a minute. You can take off the rice pudding from the stove top and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir this again to combine. You don't need your rice pudding to be overly thick. The cooler it becomes, the thicker it is. I love making my rice pudding with short grain rice like Arborio rice. And just before serving your rice pudding, you can top this up with a pinch of cinnamon and raisins. This rice pudding is so easy to make. It's a simple dessert that you can enjoy any time of the day. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. You can hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever new videos are posted. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you again. Enjoy!